Okay, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce myself. My name is Wahyu Aulia Alfariski. I come from TBI 6C in IAIN Tulungagung. Now, I would like to explain to you about the material suggesting. Do you know what is suggesting mean? Suggesting mean is we purpose an idea, plan, or action for a person consideration. Maksudnya adalah suatu ungkapan untuk memberi masukan, pendapat, atau sebuah ide gagasan yang baru. Do you understand? When we suggest others, it can be giving solution, advice, plan, or idea. The person can accept the suggestion or refuse it. Maksudnya di sini adalah ketika kamu memberi pendapat, memberi suggestion atau masukan, kita bisa memberi solusi, nasihat, planning atau rencana, dan ide gagasan yang baru. Seseorang bisa menerima atau menolak suggestion tersebut atau ungkapan saran tersebut. The social function of suggestion is, fungsinya adalah to show our respect to other people. Maksudnya adalah ini untuk menunjukkan respect kita atau peduli kita terhadap seseorang yang lain, sesama teman kita. When he have a problem. The next is about the following word for expression to suggest. The first is how about. What about plus verb ing. The example is how about baking cookies. Ini menanyakan saran, bagaimana dengan roti bakar, roti panggang, seperti itu. And the next is how about plus verb one atau verb based. This example is how about I pick you up at 4 this afternoon. Ini memberi saran tentang bagaimana jika saya menjemput kamu jam 4 siang ini. And the next is how about plus noun. Noun adalah kata benda. The example is how about a cup of tea. Ini menanyakan apakah kamu mau segelas teh atau sekap es teh, sekap teh gitu. And the next is why not or why don't. The example is why don't we come to the course earlier? Ini pertanyaan, kenapa kamu tidak datang sesegera mungkin ketika pelajaran dimulai? And the next is let's or let's not. The example is let's meet Angga and clear the problem. Ini adalah sebuah masukan untuk mari bertemu Angga dan menyelesaikan masalahnya. And the next is could. The example is you could wear this red dress to attend the party. Kamu seharusnya memakai gaun merah ketika mendatangi pesta itu. And the next is suggest. What is suggest? Suggest adalah I suggest you, saya menyarankan kamu. And the next is think. What is think? Do you know that? Think is berpikir. Berpikir. Saya rasa begitu. Ungkapan sarannya adalah saya rasa I think you best to use. Kamu cocok menggunakan seperti itu. And the next is shall or should. The example is I suggest you finish the assignment. And the next is had better. And the example is you had better focus on your studies. Ini maksudnya adalah had better itu kamu seharusnya fokus kepada belajar kamu. Okay, the next material is how to respond if we have an suggesting or suggestment. Bagaimana kita menggunakan suggesting? This is the word to, ungkapan untuk menyatakan suggesting. The first is I think we should apply for the scholarship. The next is I suggest you discuss our program with the principal. The next is why don't you meet Angga to inform the news? The next is, what about recycling the trash in weekend? The next is, you should put a band-aid on the wound. The next is, the train will arrive soon. The last one is, let's go to the waiting room and be ready. And the next is, how to respond is, the response is have a two part, accepting and declining or refusing. Accepting itu adalah ungkapan untuk menerima masukan seseorang tersebut. Biasanya diungkapkan dengan, you are right, let's prepare for the recruitment. And the next is, that's what I'm going to do. The next is, thanks. And the last one is, yeah, I will do it. Okay, and the last is refusing. What is refusing? Refusing adalah ungkapan menolak saran tersebut. Cara menolak saran tersebut dengan sopan, we can say, sorry, I would rather stay at home. I want to spend my time with my family. Maaf, saya akan di rumah. Saya akan menghabiskan waktu luang saya bersama keluarga saya. The next is, I know, but I don't have it. Saya tahu, tetapi saya tidak punya ini. And the next is, don't rush. Check baggage carefully. We still have enough time. Okay, the last I say is, thank you very much. If you have any answer, any question or suggestion, we can give me suggestion. Okay, see you next time. My name is Wahyu Ali Alfariski. Thanks to time given to me. Mwah, mwah.